Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll discuss most commonly used data analytics tool, languages and related questions. In this video, we are going to discuss about DAX function now and today, used for current date and time. Now function is useful when we need to display the current date and time on your worksheet or calculate a value based on current date and time and have the value updated each time we open the worksheet or we refresh the column that contains the formula. Today function is useful when we need to have current date display on the worksheet regardless of when we open the workbook. It is also useful for calculated intervals. Now we can take an example to understand. In this example, two measures named now_dt and today_d both are displayed in two respective cards.